Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for the sausages and peppers, I've got my oven. First thing you do is turn the oven on, crank it up really hot, so 250C, which is I think 480F. Then I've just sliced 2 red bell peppers, red capsicums we call them in Australia, and just put them in the pan here. And then I've got, I'm going to use 4 sausages. If you're pretty hungry, you could use 6, and then I just slice down to take the skins off, and then just pinch into balls, so it kind of makes instant meatballs really easy. And you can use whatever sausages you like. If you want a bit of spice, some chorizo's nice, or some merguez sausages. I'm just going to have a quick hand wash. And then the other thing, just want to give it a drizzle of oil, and just to make everything brown nicely, and that's going to cook down into the sauce. I'm just using some olive oil there, and a bit of salt. And it looks like a lot, but it's going to cook down, those peppers are going to cook down into the most amazing sauce. So I'm going to get it in the oven, and I'm going to set my timer for 20 minutes. So sausages and peppers have been in for 15 minutes. You can see they're starting to brown. Peppers are starting to cook down, so I'm just going to give them a quick stir. And then get it back in for another. So you want the peppers to be soft, and they're still not quite done. Great, so the sausages and peppers have been in the oven for 20 minutes, and sausages are nice and brown. Peppers have cooked down. So now all we need to do is a bit of seasoning. So I'm just going to pop a tablespoon of, I'm using sherry vinegar because it's my favorite, but any wine vinegar will work. Probably red wine would be my next choice, or apple cider even. That's just going to add some acidity and make the flavors a bit brighter. Taste, and if you think it needs more salt, give it a bit more salt. Although, and then we're just going to crumble over some feta. So I've got 100 grams, just about 3 ounces, 3.5 ounces. And then finish with some fresh basil leaves, and serve with some green salad, baby spinach, some green veggies, whatever you feel like. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.